It's a lovely misty morning, quite foggy actually down here at Summer Leys this morning. Just having a scout around, see what we can see around. What I do love in these misty mornings is to watch the swans on the water, especially when the water's really still like it is today. It makes for a very atmospheric shots. So I think we'll do maybe a little bit of video of the swans and see how that comes out. Got a few dog walkers around, as you can probably see in the background of this. But other than that, it's quite peaceful. It's beautiful, really nice, and the sun's just bringing through some really nice light at the moment. So hopefully we'll find a few more things around. Little coot just across the water, just as I'm talking to you now, just wandering around. Yeah, so let's see what we can find. Well, it's been a beautiful morning watching the mist slowly clear. You can see behind me the trees just slightly in the mist now as the sun starts to burn it off. Absolutely gorgeous morning, very, very atmospheric, and yeah, it's great to get out. And it's Christmas Eve, so I guess I should say Merry Christmas to you all. Bye for now.